In this video on Sibelius, we are taking a look at the Quick Start window. When you first start Sibelius, once you've got it installed, you're likely to be right at this spot once you launch it. So let's take a look at what we have here. Across the top, we have 5 tabs, and let's just do an overview of the tabs here. The first tab is the Learn tab, and under Videos, we have active links that take us to Avid's website for videos and other web page information, and you can see how Sibelius for switchers. You can find out new features of your current version of Sibelius and actually take a little quick tour and learn some things about Sibelius as well. Under the documentation, we have Sibelius Tutorials, which is a PDF file hosted by your computer, Sibelius Reference Guide, another PDF file on your computer, and What's New, also a PDF file on your computer. Additionally, you can go to the online support on Avid's website and get help there if you need it. Regardless of the tab selected, the items across the bottom remain the same. They're static, so you can navigate to an existing project if you'd like. You can choose whether or not Quick Start shows when you start up Sibelius or when you close the last score in Sibelius. In some of the windows, we can zoom in and out on the contents. We can quit Sibelius, or we can simply close this window. If you choose to close this window and change your mind, you can always navigate up here, Main Menu, File, Quick Start, and we're back right where we were. The next tab is for a new score, and this is probably your default look right now. And this has numerous categories of templates. You can see this one says no categories. So this is basically creating sheet music. I need something with a treble staff, bass staff, or simply blank. These bars with the category labels collapse, not unlike folders. So you can open and close these to better navigate. You can search. Let's type in concert. And you can see we've winnowed down our choices just to something with concert in the title. Let's go ahead and get out of that. Let's restore our look here with a click on one of the bars. Let's go ahead and do a quick launch on the brass quintet. If we click it once, it'll move into our Quick Start setup area. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to go ahead and double click it. And by double clicking, it actually opens it up in Sibelius. And at any point in time, we can make changes either in Sibelius proper or in the Quick Start window. Nothing is a permanent error. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. And there we have our Quick Start window again. Let's go to Recent. It has the same look as New Score. Here I have all my bars collapsed. Here documents are sorted chronologically by when they're brought into Sibelius. Up here we have the same search text field. Here at the bottom, you have score information based on what you've selected, and you have the open button here to launch it into Sibelius. Go up to Import. If you have photo score and audio score installed on your computer, you can certainly scan printed music or read PDFs, or with audio score, work with audio, and then import that information into Sibelius and start working with it. Over here under Open, you can bring in a standard MIDI file or music XML files. And last tab here is What's New in Sibelius. And you can keep current with what is new in Sibelius or associated products that affect Sibelius. Let's go back to New Score, and one thing I forgot to show here is your Zoom feature does work in this tab and the Recent tab. Let me go back up to the top here under No Category, and I'm going to single click the blank template, and I've got it open here in Quick Start, and I'm going to pause at this point. We'll pick up setting up a document in Quick Start in the next video. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.